Out of the hijacking in the Red Sea, Yemen's Iran-backed rebels have seized a cargo ship over its connection to Israel, taking its crew hostage. Foreign corres- correspondent James Longman has a sorry good morning James. Yeah, good morning, George. Yemen's Houthi rebels say thief seized an Israeli-linked cargo ship in the Red Sea. The Iranian-backed groups say that an Israel-linked vessel is a leg- legitimate target given the ongoing war in Gaza, what they call ugly crimes in the occupied West Bank in the United States, has called this a flagrant breach of international law, and the situation in the Red Sea remains pretty serious. This is a ship which was loaded with crew from Ukraine and Mexico. Not, however, the Israelis say that there are no Israeli nationals on board. It is owned the parent company. It's owned by an Israeli biz businessman. So the world is watching to see whether or not this situation can be resolved. This is not the first aggression by the Houthis, though they fired a number of missiles and drones at southern Israel since the attackers attacks October 7th. And so now the world watches to see whether or not this ship can be brought back to safety, Robin. All right, Jeff, thank you so much.